Hi, I'm Kristen, and welcome back for another tips and tricks video brought to you by AppsEvents and Acer. And in today's video, we are going to look at how Google Keep works to keep you organized as you're working within different types of Google documents. Let's take a look. Now, I've talked before, Google Keep, super easy to access from any Google document. You just go off to that sidebar, click that yellow icon, and it opens it up for you. You can see all of the notes you've taken in the past, all of your to-do lists, things you need to think about, and whatever you've got pinned is up there on the top. Now, watch what happens in this Google document if I go ahead and create a new Keep note. I just come up here and click to take a note. And you'll see there's now this little icon down here that says Untitled Document. That's because I didn't put a name to this Google document. But if I change it, it will eventually update here as well. Now, this Keep note, you'll notice, even when I click Done, is saved at the top, on top of even my pinned notes, because it's actively connected to this document I'm working in. I can see all my notes to myself, everything I need to do for this document as I'm working in it at the very top of my Keep list. And then when I go to a different document, let's say I open a new slides presentation, when I come off to my Keep, that note that was tied to that Google document has now moved down below my pinned tabs. It's not there anymore. It's not front and center as something I need to work on. But again, if I create a new note for this document, maybe with reminders of myself for how I'm going to organize it, you can see the title is there, and now this is at the top. And I can keep these open. The documents will be there, they're working documents. But here's the really cool thing. If I close this document and I'm looking at my how-to Google Doc, yes, that note is up there at the top, things I need to make sure I do for that document I'm working with. If I scroll down below my pinned notes, I can see the note I had here about that slideshow. If I click it, I can click this and it takes me to that document. It opens it for me. So I don't have to go hunting back through my drive to find what I need. It automatically syncs that document with the note as I create it in Keep off on that sidebar. It's a great feature. I can go ahead, close this, and from any other doc I'm working on, from even the general Keep access itself, I have that direct link to that document. And when I open it and I reopen Keep from the sidebar, I have those notes and those reminders of what I need to do for that related document right there on top of even my to-do list. And so this is an amazing way to keep yourself organized, to give yourself reminders of what you need to do for documents you're working with, and have that immediate and quick access back to that document like a built-in shortcut, instead of having to search through your drive over and over and over again. You don't have to keep it open and waste tab space, but you can get back to it super quick, super easy, and in using Keep, your notes related to the document you're working in will always be right up at the very top, easy to find, easy to see what you wrote to yourself as a reminder to do. So this is a great tool to use, super simple, it's already built into the Google system, and it helps keep you organized as you're working between different documents. I hope this helped, and we'll see you back next time for more tips and tricks.